Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? You will. Great. So, we're trying to figure out what animal Blue was to see at the farm. And the clues are black and white, grass, and this mooing sound. Hmm. So, what animal could Blue see at the farm with black and white, grass, and this mooing sound? Hmm. Hmm. Maybe, maybe it's a black and white animal. Yeah, and maybe this black and white animal loves to eat grass. Yeah, and maybe this animal makes a sound. Yeah, but what animal is black and white, loves to eat grass, and makes this moving sound like this? A cow! That's it! Because a cow is black and white, it loves to eat grass, and makes this moving sound like this. Blue, do you want to see a cow in the farm? We just figured out Blue's clues! Blue, now that we figure out what do I see at the farm, let's go to the farm and see a cow. Come on.